In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a group name in Zangi Messenger. To edit a group name in Zangi, open the Zangi application on your mobile device and log in if needed. Once you're logged into your Zangi account, open up one of the group that you'd like to edit the name on. Now tap on the group member option at the top of the screen to open up the group info section. Now click the edit button at the top right and then write down a new group name, erasing the current one. Finally, click on done at the top right. And there you have successfully typed down a new name for the group. Remember that only group admins can edit the group name. Changing the group name might notify other members depending on the app's settings. That's how you easily change the name of your group in Zangi. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.